Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are looking at our vintage Timex mechanical watch collection for both men and women. So as you can see, all of those Timex watches are mechanical watches, so they are powered by a mechanical movement, and also most of them date from the 70s and 80s and very few from the 90s. So guys, check them out, and if you like them, make sure to go to vintageradar.com or follow the link in the description below to our Timex watch collection.